Welcome to the channel. You have found the channel that I like to think about as the TRT channel for the rest of us, okay? I'm a normal guy like you are. I have a job. I have a family, a wife. I have a messy garage like you probably do as well, right? And when I found out roughly 2 years ago that I had low testosterone, went to the doctor because of these negative symptoms I was having that were messing up my life, I said, you know what, enough's enough. I found out that my problem was low testosterone. So when I started my journey, I said, I want to start a channel and document what's going on with me so that I can help other guys who are suffering with this as well, because I don't want you to feel like you're alone. And what I found is, having had this channel now for over 2 years, is a lot of guys who leave comments, I can tell they really don't have anyone else to talk to about these things. So I kind of want to be the remedy for you. I kind of want to be the one to be your friend to help you with this, okay? And so you can go to any of my videos, leave a comment. I try very hard to respond to those. You might have questions about, you know, I'm not even gone to a doctor yet. What kind of doctor should I go to? Made a video about that just recently. You might be also thinking, you know, I think I've just got low testosterone, okay? That's all I want to know. All right, I made a video about an at-home testing kit. There's right there. You can click right up there to go to that one. Or maybe you're thinking, you know, I'm already injecting, but where's the best place to inject? Just did a video recently about how I changed to Deltoid injections recently from glute injections. You're also gonna notice on my channel that I like to mix in a bit of humor with my stuff, and so I figure why not laugh while we learn, right? Who doesn't like to laugh? I do. Make yourself at home here. I have organized the channel well. You see my most recent uploads there at the top. You might be wondering what to expect 1 month in, 3 months, a year in. I've got a section for milestones by months. Maybe you want to learn just about injecting, how to do it, where's the best place to inject. Got a whole section about injecting for you. Once you start feeling better, you might say, hey, I want to get back in shape again. I got a section about fitness, and then there at the very bottom, just some fun videos. Who doesn't like those? So guys, I think on this channel, you are among your people. So make yourself at home. Look around. You are very welcome to be here. Thanks for watching. God bless.